This is Geuder S4HPS Megatron with a fully loaded anterior posterior system with a laser and a xenon light source. This is called Xenotron 3. This is Endotron, and this is the main console. So when you switch on the machine, this is the first screen. Here you can see the language. You can choose the appropriate language, then press menu. Before that, you can see there is the information button. When you click, you can find Geuder company, address, details, and the module status. So here the Endotron is here, but it is not switch on, so it shows the Endotron not available. So if something goes wrong in the module, it will turn to red. So this is a something aerodynamic feature. Then you can press menu. You can see the surgeon list, then operation list, and surgical steps list. So like Dr. Sonali, 23 gauge vitrectomy, and the surgical steps like core vitrectomy, base excision, oil injection, endo laser, and so on. And if you select Dr. Ankita, FECO, surgical steps, diathermy emulsify, IA, Dr. Girish, here you can program FECO soft, medium, hard, and then respective surgical steps, strain, chop, emulsify, epinucleus. So everything is customized, so you can program as per your preference. So here you can see the cassette. So cassette is same cassette you can use for FECO, for vitrectomy, for anterior, posterior, peristaltic, Venturi, same cassette. So you don't require different type of cassette. Same inventory for all. And here is the peristaltic pump and the Venturi pump to connect. And go to cassette test, to surgery. Here you can see sensor is getting adjusted, and now in peristaltic there is a flow is there, that means the machine is in peristaltic. Everything is green. This is sensor, cassette, and pressure. And now we will check whether peristaltic vacuum is building up to 600 or not. Pressing the foot switch, uploading the cassette, and here is the cassette is working well. That's why the vacuum is built up to 600 mmHg. And now we are in Venturi pump. In Venturi pump, we have actually two options. One is a Venturi pump and one is a Venturi effect. Venturi effect is a sort of peristaltic pump only. It gives the feeling of working on a Venturi pump. This is a true Venturi pump. Again, we will check vacuum. It is immediately, instantaneously vacuum build up to 600. So you can see the peristaltic and Venturi, the cassette is working well. This is the actual surgical window where you can perform the posterior vitrectomy surgery. Here you can set the cut rate. Cut rate goes up to 6000 max. Then vacuum, we can go up to maximum 600. And then you can choose the type of pump, Venturi or peristaltic, then cautery, the air for FG, and then light for OQLED, and the bottle height. So you can use pressurized infusion set for active IOP. And here is port number 1 is for air. So if you can see, air port number 1 is mentioned. For diathermy, port number 5 is mentioned, and for vitrectomy, port number 2 is mentioned. So you have to choose 1, 2, 5, and 7 only. This port is active. And when you press the foot switch, this is the cutter is working, and you can perform the surgery. For core vitrectomy you can choose Venturi pump. For base excision you can choose peristaltic. So you can take a benefit of dual pump technology. So when you are very close to the retina, you can use the peristaltic, which is flow based system, and for core vitrectomy the Venturi pump, which is a vacuum based system. Plus endo laser, we have endo laser. Right now the endo laser is not switch on, so this parameter cannot be changed or set, but with the same foot switch you can able to fire the laser. So it is a truly integrated. So on same screen you can change the parameter, and with the same foot switch you can able to fire the laser. Over and above we have a xenon light source, which is xenon lamp with a photox card facility. You can see the number of surgeons. You can save 6 surgeons. You choose one. You can see the 20 gauge, 23 gauge, 25 gauge, and this machine is compatible up to 30 gauge surgeries. But here 25 gauge, you can see the light 100%. And if you note down, here is a total number of hours is allotted, 1 hour 34 minutes. With the safety, you can see up to 65%. You can, it's in green light, so it is very safe on retina, so phototoxicity will be avoided. So this is a very compact system, having very less footprint. No compressor is required, no cylinder is required, everything is inbuilt. Here is a multifunctional foot switch. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10 points are programmable. And here is, you can see 2 ultrasonic ports. So you can connect any port for phaco as well as frag. This is for oil injection. This is for pneumatic cutter, OQ-LED probe, electric cutter. Nowadays we don't supply the electric cutter, but yes, the feature is still available. The cautery and the FG or IOP pressure set.